Hello friends, my name is Sachin Kumar Mishra and I'm presented industrial training topic on ethical hacking. Ethical hacking it is very important concept in today markets. All about needs to completed by the ethical hacking. Ethical hacking it is a very simple thing. Ethical hacking you means you are a hacker work by ethical way. Okay. I discuss the all topics. What is computer system and security? Second is introduction to information and network security, introduction to cryptography, introduction to firewalls, security at the transport layer SSL and TLS, electronic mails, and extra introduction to wireless security DOS and all concepts are discussed through basic. Okay. First is what is the computer security? Computer security is very important thing in IT because data secure most important priority for IT businesses. All customers privacy it is first priority and most first priority in a IT company. What is computer security? Many of government and private intelligence community to work internal threats to resolve all the bugs because not perform any malicious activity from a hacker. Okay, three types of hackers are present: white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and red hat hackers, and gray hat hackers also here. Okay, white hat hackers to work ethical way. Okay, this is ethical hackers. Second is grey hat hackers to sometime perform ethical way of hacking, sometime perform non-ethical way of hacking. Okay, illegal ethical hacking. Black hat hackers always perform illegal hacking. Okay, what is a computer security attack can be internal and external affected in your computer system is the stealing source code. What is a stealing source code? A stealing source code means some hackers download full the code of source code through internet, through sometimes softwares. Is many times software use Kali Linux. Kali Linux is very usable software performed by and operations performed by ethical hacker also and as well as black hat hacker also. Uh, Damaging computer system it is most important part and revealing confidential information. Okay, intentionally writing bad codes for later use and send malicious program also. Scanning your network for vulnerability and attack it, sending viruses for Windows and Unix, annoying destructive. Okay, uh, right. Third is the cryptography. Okay, what is cryptography? Cryptography is a method to uh, secure to the internet practices. Okay, cryptography is the study and practice of technique for secure. Cryptography is used methods to which is public and private key to secure 32-bit encryption to 56-bit encryptions follow and secure the all type of transactions. Okay, right. Secure communication refer to the scenario where the message or data shared between two parties can't be accessed by an adversary. In cryptography, adversary is a malicious entity which aim to retrieve precious information or data, thereby undermining the principles of information security. Okay. Cryptography is used two key, public and private key. Public key is used for simple type of encryption. Basically, I say cryptography is only encryption, using encryptions okay through public and private key. Okay, this is simple definition. एंड इसका मतलब यही है कि क्रिप्टोग्राफी एनक्रिप्ट करने के लिए ही यूज़ की जाती है which is used by the public and private key through public and private peoples. Fourth is a firewall. Firewall is a network security device, either hardware or software based. Both ways also present in the market, and which monitors all incoming and outgoing traffics, and based on a defined set of security rules, it accept, reject, or drop that specific traffics. Okay. Uh, Firewall is a very important in your computer because this first perform antivirus also here in there. And suppose you think you are go in your friends, for example you are going for a friends, and आपने वहाँ गए और उसके बाद आपने यू यूज़ द फ्रेंड्स वाईफाई, ओके, फ्रेंड्स वाईफाई, यू आर कनेक्ट योर पासवर्ड एंड ओके, first your laptop, your computer, any device, your firewall check your internet connections, okay, it is internet private or public, okay, you accept to allow the traffic and you reject block the traffic, but sometime the unreachable error show by firewall, and drop means you block the traffic with no reply, okay. The firewall establish a barrier between secure internal networks and outside untrusted networks such as internet वगैरह वगैरह, okay. 750 is a firewall, okay, this is a firewall and this is computer WAN, this is LAN cables and computer connected by, okay. ये wide area network है, ये local area network है, and you think suppose you anyone hack your LAN, the firewall is performed in this field, okay. It is very important. Layer of network security, yeah, it is very important topic, network security. Network security is basically secure the network. Simple definition, very simple definition. SSL is a secure circuit layer. While TLS stands for transport layer security, TLS is a transport layer. Both secure circuit layer and transport layer means SSL and TL. Okay, TLS security are the protocols used to provide the security between web browsers, web servers, and for example, you launch your website. What happened? First is you buy the hosting, and second one is buy the domain name, and connect the both. Of one them is connection between hosting and domain name. Okay. After the connection, your hosting providers say, please sir by the SSL. Okay, sometime hosting, today present hosting providers provide the SSL free with the buying the hosting या purchase the hosting. Okay, तो SSL बहुत ही important चीज़ है वेब ब्राउज़र के लिए. Okay, Google check the first website for SEO and for grow up कि which take SSL or not. SSL provide the certificate. Your website is SSL certified means you see लॉक, एक लॉक जैसा बना होता है वेबसाइट के बगल में, ओके, इसका मतलब यही है कि वो SSL सिक्योर है, ओके. मेन डिफरेंस यही है SSL के बीच में कि ऑथेंटिकेशन एंड कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी ईजी हो जाती है. उसके बाद है wireless security. Wireless network security is the process of designing, implementing, and ensuring security on a wireless computer network. It is a subset of network security that add protection for a wireless computer network. Wireless network security is also known as wireless security. Okay. Introduction of network security. Network security, we say, is the fifth of okay. For PPT, I will say network security is a complicated subject because it's well trained and experienced experts. Okay, as more and more people become wired, an increasing number of people need to understand the basic of security in a network world. What is a network security? Okay, network security is the level of guarantee that all the machines in a network are working optimally and the user of this machine only possesses the right that were granted to them. This can include preventing unauthorized people from acting on the system maliciously, preventing user from performing involuntary operations and that are capable of harming the system also. Secure data by anticipating failure, guaranteeing that services are not interrupted. Okay. What is a basic network security? Firewall. Okay. Firewall is a basic network security, part of basic network security, I say. When connecting or matching to network, we need to make sure no one will easily break into it. And even if you don't think anyone will try to break into your machines, chances are that someone might try. Okay. Crackers sometimes try on the right network scan utilities that check a large number of IP addresses and automatically try to find machines running servers with security holes, with loopholes. Okay, so something to protect against that, one cloud simply disable any network service that are running. Okay. Next is the need, how need for network security. In the past, hackers were were highly skilled programmers who understand the details of computer communications and how to exploit vulnerabilities. What is the vulnerabilities? Vulnerabilities is you are ethical. Your example, you are ethical hacker. You check the computer and to find the vulnerabilities to hack by the hackers. This is vulnerability. Vulnerability means kamiya, okay, weakness of systems, bug of systems. So today, almost anyone can become a hacker by downloading tools from the internet because more and more tools present in the internet. So these complicated attack tools and generally open network have generated an increased need for network security and dynamic security policies. Okay, the easiest way to protect a network from an outside attack is to close it completely from the outside world. A closed network provides connectivity only to trusted non parties and sites. Okay, a closed network does not allow a connection to public network. Next, types of securities. Okay, is Wi-Fi protected access. Okay, WPA encrypt informations and check to make sure that the network security key has not been modified. Wi-Fi protected access authenticate user to help ensure that only authorized people can access the network. WPA is designed to work with all wireless network adapters, but it might not work with older routers or access points. Wide equivalent privacy. Okay, WPE, this is an older network security method and that is still available to support older devices, but it is not longer recommend. When you enable WPE, you set up your network security key. This key encrypt the information that one computer send to another computer across your network. How WPE security is relatively easy to crack. Okay. What is authentication of network security? Three type of authentications are present. You also know. Sometimes you use the authentication in your Paytm, KYC, bank KYC also. First is the one-factor authentication. Second is a two-factor authentication. Third is three-factor authentication. What is the one factor? One factor is the password protected. Your mobile, your password protected is the one-factor authentication. Fingerprint also with a password is a two-factor authentication, and your eye capturing with authentication. This is three-factor authentication: your eye, your fingerprint, your password. It is three-factor authentication. Sometimes different types of authentication also used here, and a hard authentication also present. Okay. Next is advantage of network security. Why need of network security is an advantage. Network security help in protecting personal data on client of client or existing on network. Okay. Second is network security, facilitate protection of information that's there between computers on the network. Hacking attempts on viruses, spyware attacks from the internet will not be able to harm physical computers. A conclusion. Okay, what is a computer security is important because it keep your information protection. I'm say also before this, starting from PPT. Sometime some content also I am discussed like this DOS attack or DDoS attack. What is DOS or DDoS attack? Okay, DOS attack is mean denial of services, or DDoS attack means denial of service attacks also. And okay, what is DOS? For example, you are a hacker and you attack the computer, you attack the website to request the session again and again. This is a DOS attack because hosting resources are limited to damage the resources. Okay, how? Limit the resources and end the resources after your website is down. DDoS, many of hackers together to work for illegal thing. The website are down. Same type of process are follow. Same type of process. Okay. Kali Linux is very useful thing. Kali Linux is the full Linux operating system. Base Linux operating, not same Linux operating system. Based on Linux operating system to perform malicious activity. Also, it is used the ethical hackers and unethical hackers both are used in the Kali Linux because many 500 plus programs are available and 500 plus software are available in Kali Linux uh, to hack the different things like Wi-Fi, like a computer, find the vulnerabilities, all type of okay. Trojan horses, you know, Trojan horse is like a monitoring app. Okay, you send the Trojan horse in your any computer, full monitored by you. Okay. Network security is an important field that increasingly gaining attention as the internet usage increases. Okay, the security threats, internet protocols were analyzed to determine the necessary security technology. The current development in network security is not very impressive and significant. Okay, thank you, and I end the PPT. Okay.